You're gonna be on my YouTube channel, by the way.
I don't care.
No, I'm gonna probably time lapse it all.
Gotcha. You like to do that.
I do now that I got my software working.
Okay. Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2.
So, we put that all the way back, like this. We're notching it. We're notching it so this face is level.
This way.
Exactly. Quit dancing in front of my camera. Just pretend it's not there.
Well, I was just happened to be there. I was pretending it wasn't there.
Alright, this is gonna absolutely suck.
You're just gonna do a line all the way down? Try to, at least.
Yeah, trying. It's not exactly working.
Wow, you said it. A little iffy at the beginning, huh?
Oh, a little bit.
Not quite McFlush. Why McFlush? I don't know how many there is.
Oh, you were close.
How many?
2 off. Oh yeah, we were only able to get it in there because we had the angle to go at.
It's okay. I'll help you. Hold on. Where should I put this? I'm gonna put this here. Did you move it or just use a different light?
I'm probably gonna move it up in. I don't like it that's
light.
right in my face.
Yeah.
It's too bright.
Yeah, put it like here.
Yeah, recess it.
Okay, you want this?
You're a very helpful recorder.
So what's the issue?
Get the camera out of my face.
Don't record me! Sorry. Isn't that okay?
So that can go there. Our branch is not gonna come off of that though.
Is there anything else that you want up there? These? Taper and stuff, probably. So now you got a little more shelf space.
Yeah. Now just to get the shelf up there for the air compressor. That can go because I got a better one. So we're gonna build a shelf right here for my air compressor. And then we have a solution. You didn't hear a word I just said, I tripped on that. We have a solution for down here too. So that'll be next.
When do you think you'll work on the next things?
Probably tomorrow. Oh yeah.
gonna just leave it on the board, but then your hand was in the way.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Bye-bye! Bye, buddy! Hope you find your dad!
Okay, now, what did I say my length was? Oh, that's so satisfying. Ah, I forgot to do it on that one. Oh well. It's okay. Oh my eye.
You'd have to make it longer to do that anyway.
Yeah. Yep, alright. Good. Actually, hold on. You can hold.
Oh.
It can be screwed back in.
ID. I have an ID.
So do I. Except I have a real ID so I can fly.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. It works! And it's got a fancy knot. How does it make you feel?
Warm and fuzzy inside. Alright. So now my air compressor sits up on a shelf. Cord comes down here and I can plug it in over here anytime I need to. And my hoses can actually run out that same hole because I oversized it by a good bit. So hoses can all come either out the front here or they can come out over there too. Just kind of whichever I feel like doing for organization. So now next step is making the shelves that will go down here and have wheels on them, and then we can put the oven that'll fit underneath. The vacuum can go back over here where it belongs, and then my chop saw can go on the shelf over here, and that'll leave an entire shelf for hardware, except my hardware overflow that's up here. Okay, I got a little light bar to put up here, so we have some light coming down from this thing. So here's the box. I'm gonna take and put some vents and handles on it. So I'm gonna put 2 handles on it so that you can actually pick it up. And then I'm gonna put a vent probably down, actually, I'll probably put a vent like right here on the corner, and then one down here on that corner, so we can draw air through the box. And that way it doesn't overheat and it'll be better for the generator. Plus the exhaust is on that side, so all the hot air is gonna primarily be in this spot. So if we put a vent over here, it'll force the air out a little bit easier, and air will come in the front end up here with relative ease. But all that's left is to get the vents and handles. The vents are gonna have to wait. I'm not running the generator yet anyway, so I'll get the vents sometime here in the next day or so. I am running out of time. I have a very big event that is coming up that I gotta be at, so I am running out of time to get this video done. I'm already behind schedule on editing, so not sure how much more I'm gonna be able to get in. I would love to get the carts in this episode, but that might have to be a separate video just because of scheduling. We'll see. Whew. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Got a lot done. It's cleaner in here. It's not done yet. I still have to make the carts. That'll be in some video, hopefully soon. Like I said earlier, I have an event coming up Saturday. Today is Sunday, so I only have a week to get ready for this, and I do not have anywhere near enough stuff prepped up. So hopefully I'll get a video out on that. But as for this video, we got the shop cleaned up a good bit. We got an air compressor shelf installed. We got a storage shelf installed. We got some lighting added. We just got some general organization done beyond what it was. We got a solid plan for what I'm gonna do over here to keep this area clean. So quite a lot. We got the generator box built, which is very exciting. So I think it was a very productive time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it, and I look forward to posting again in a couple weeks. But until then, I hope you all have a wonderful time. Bye.